Okay, like this. And after this line, if when you're done, proper circle is done. Okay, make sure your circle should be, it should look circle only. Okay, and after that I just create over here in this circle. I just create over here one line like this, simple line. Okay, it's so easy, simple line like this. Yeah, just one curve line like this. Okay, and draw here another curve line. Okay, like this. Here from in this circle, one, very simple, one like this. Okay, and two like this. So here in this circle I just cross one line like this straight line. So first step, if I explain the first steps, what you're doing circle. Second steps, you are doing this one line like this, step 1, step 2. Okay, step 3, if you go to go, okay, this here just adds here this line. Okay, the weak line, this is the weak line, so I can add over here weak line, very simple, just like this and this. Okay, fine. And in down, in this space, we are creating this only the down. Okay, we are creating the down peaks. Okay, like this, very simple. Okay, and we can creating this area. Okay, this area here I create this eyes. So very interesting eyes shapes we can create, like curve. Okay, curve and curve. Okay, like this. So this drawing, this kind of drawing, okay, this creation creates the great artist is called name the Rio, the Nathan Fuchs, one of the most that much done, right? Here go to. So here after that, just see here, from here this is line in, from here you can create one curve line like this, and this line is coming like, see, so start the circle. Okay, basic circle. Okay, so okay beta, now that much only up beta. Okay, so neck part, right? Yeah, that much only. So now what you're doing, I here can create the eyes part, very simple eyes like this. Okay, see this simple eyes. Okay, and here you can make it the feather, like this is the basic shape is like this. Okay, but you can create here one feather like this, and here you can make feather like this. Okay, this is a blue macaw kind of birds. Okay, the most interesting thing is that in this bird, it is you know that the big part is very interesting. You can create some more curve like, okay, more curve like this. Okay, this is the black basically. Okay, so now if I make its final line drawing, okay, in this, so I make its final line drawing with the black brush pen. I'm using the Camlin brush pen. You guys are can't okay, use this as nice pen. It's little fancy and little costly, just 550 rupees only, but it's very nice. You can, if you want to put some nice small you know, good sharp line eyes if you want to make, so you can create very easily with this pen. So I prefer this pen really lots. So we are creating here, this is, and now after that we are creating the wig like this. Okay, here, and the next here, and you can create here like small stroke. Okay, like this, can create. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, it's very simple. So we are doing first this much. Okay, then we can go ahead the color. Okay.